What do you reckon, guys? Should we go in? We've had enough, yeah? Hello guys, right, now obviously this is a continuation of the stag jobs. Right, brake master, clutch slaves master, clutch master, done. 2 different kits. Fortunately you get the pair of them for 10 quid and I got the right one. So I didn't film it because I was over there struggling on the bikes and it was all going everywhere. But I've done it, so it's it. And now I'm doing this. Now obviously for the stag people, the door handles break and obviously the door handles broke. So we've ordered one of those and now we're trying to put it in. Now I don't know whether you can see the sheer horror of the job, but basically there's a long pin that goes through here, which is all corroded, and obviously that's got to come out. That's obviously the spring that's got to go back in, so we know what we've got to do roughly with that. This has obviously got to come out. Yeah. That obviously falls out. That obviously falls back in. And this is where we get the old problems, is it? You know, guys, I suppose it was too much to hope, wasn't it, that it was going to go easy. It didn't say anywhere on the instructions that you're going to have trouble fitting it. It never said there was no instructions. Alright, okay, well we're going to assume that we're right. Yeah, we're not right. What's wrong with this thing? Alright, okay. I know what everyone's going to say. Over the years, all the people swinging on the door handles probably bent it. So probably in the scheme of things, you probably need a new pin as well. But obviously I haven't got a new pin. So I'm going with that new pin. Go with the old pin. Well, that was the way round, wasn't it? Oh my God. Right, me. Okay. So, just going because of the angle. I can see where it's got to go. It's just not going in. Oh. Seems to be alright. Obviously, what can I say? I mean, it's in, it's working. I mean, it's working, it's sitting back down. Could it be that it needs to come this way a bit more? Yeah, let's go a little bit more. Yeah, that's better. Right, okay then guys, so door handles repairs, you can do them yourselves. You can do them at home, and then when you've done them, they work. So that's there, ready to go back in, which has to clean up. So we've also got some else to show you. Walk this way. Now, I threw the box away. Oh God, it's fucking turkey. Right, Triumph Stag ignition barrel. Obviously, yeah, it's unique, costs a goddamn fortune. I mean, they're horrendous, but they got a bit of wire attached to them. So these are off of a Land Rover Discovery or something, costing like 10 quid delivered. Yeah, they've only got 5, well they've got 6 pins, 5 pins. Well, they should have 6, but we joined 2 wires together. I had to do a little bit of Dremel work in there, but that's in there and working. So that's a tenner fix rather than a £70 fix. And the master cylinder, which is over here, which is the original, we're in, we're done, we've cleaned, we've seen, we haven't sort of canting played or anything. We've got a bit of fuel hose supply, we've got some new bolts. So that's done. So that's the master cylinder. So the next job is going to be master cylinder, ignition, door handle, seat belts, seat, bonnet, hood idea. We got an idea for the hood, we need to get it warm. So we're going to take it to the south of France. Alright, no we're not. But anyway, that's the idea. So we'll come back to you when we've got a little bit more, and let's see if we can get some of this together. See you soon. Hello, right, as said guys, obviously like, subscribe, follow us about. This will probably be at the end of the video that you watched. If you watch this far you might see it, if you don't, well you won't. But I think we might try to at the beginning. Yeah, it ran, and it had water in, so I went to put more water in it. Still got half a tank of water in it now. And obviously the water's going in and in and in and in and in, and I'm on this side and the engine's running and everything's great. And then I went around the other side, and it's like the Exxon Valdez. It's coming out of it everywhere. So, can't really see, and it looks like the water was coming in the centre of the valley somewhere. And there is water down there, which makes you think it's coming from the water pump. Well, you can see that's wet down there. Why would it be wet down there? I have no idea. As far as I know, there's nothing. Now, it's had a new cylinder head on that side years ago, obviously 10 years ago, whatever. And we were all just assuming that you know, hey, it's something under the inlet manifold or whatever. Well, my assistant had a quick, fresh look at it this morning and went, there's a core plug laying on the side. And we've traced it to there. Now, down between there, up vertically, there's a core plug, which looks like it hadn't been put in very well. It had a great big ring of sealing, which was somewhere around, probably gone there. And it had blown it out. There, it had this gummed around it, look. And it anyway, don't worry about it. So it had that gummed around it, and it fell out. Now I've managed to get it back in with a pry bar, a little hammer, and a load of well seal. So I'm hoping that might seal it well up. In the other things, obviously, what's gone on there? But we seem to have lost we've lost the fire order and that. Anyway, so that obviously, you know, yeah, it's gone in and everything's hunky-dory and happy. So I'm going to try and fill out with water again. The carburetors are still really all over the place, so they still need love. But we're hoping this will work. Now, and the plan is to drive it out of the shed. So here we go. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Oh, if I tip it over. Now I'm tipping it in ordinary water. I'm not putting antifreeze in it yet. So probably I am going to have to antifreeze this, as you're all probably aware. England does get very cold. It's going in. I don't know if it's coming back up here. Obviously you've got to pop with that pop. And remarkably enough, the thermostat opened yesterday. It was running water long enough to open the thermostat. Head gas temperature gauge went through the roof, as we know. So we could say, well, let's try. Let's see what happens this time. So guys, girls. Oh, no. Do it. this carburetor, they need to take it off if they can. Big time, but they're about here. What a thing, you're all right, guys. So, we'll put that down for a success then. So, if you want to see more, like, subscribe, follow me about, click all the buttons, do everything you can. I'll see you in the next one.